So this one's a bit different. Eddie Hall decided he wanted a treehouse, and of course, he delivered it himself. We rolled up to his garden, crane ready to go, and you can just see his tank sitting there. It all started back in our Manchester workshop. Cutting, welding, painting, turning a plain steel box into something special. Once it was built and finished, we loaded it up, ready to hit the road. And yeah, Eddie wanted to do the honours. Now this is where it gets tricky. Tight driveway, container on the back, cigar in hand, no stress at all. Straight out the cab, quick word with the crane lads, making sure the lift goes smooth. Then came the big lift, precision drop, right into his garden, with the tank keeping watch. The team guided it in for a smooth landing. Step inside, fully insulated, wired up, finished throughout. Proper hideaway spot, built fit for the beast. From gyms to homes to tree houses like this is what we do. Universal containers,